Hello again, friends. It's Mr. Yava here at Four Georgians, and we have got a song we learned last time called Doggie Doggie, Where's Your Bone? Let's look at our song here again and remember how it goes. I've got a xylophone out here today to help us. So, that's our first note. I'll sing it for you again to refresh your memory, and then next time you can sing along with me. It goes, Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has my bone now? I have your bone now. Remember that song? Let's see if you can sing it with me. Now, just to make sure we're singing our song our best with our best voices, let's do my turn, your turn. One line at a time. Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has my bone now? I have your bone now. Okay, let's try singing it together, and I'm going to keep us a steady beat on my xylophone here so that we can sing along. Let's try the whole song together. Ignore those solos that we talked about last time, and let's see if you can just sing the whole thing along with me. Ready, here we go now. Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has my bone now? I have your bone now. How'd you do? Okay, this time, just for fun, let's try alternating those solos. Since it's just you and me singing, how about I'll sing the first solo, who has my bone now? And you can sing the last line by yourself, as if you were the person that stole the bone. Let's try it. We can sing the first two lines together, and then my turn for the first one, and your turn for the second one. Ready, here we go. Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. Who has my bone now? Nice. Okay, let's switch jobs for one more time through the song. We'll sing together for the first two, but this time you get to sing the doggie's line, who has my bone now? And I'll answer by myself with the last line. You ready? Here we go. Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? Someone stole it from your home. I have your bone now. Thanks. Okay, let's put the xylophone away for a little bit because we're going to do some patterns now. We've got our high and low sounds. I'll sing a pattern of 4 sounds and you sing it back, and we can use our hands to show high and low. How about this one? Don't forget to use lots of air. High, low, high, low. Yeah. Now, we've probably talked about this before if you've done class with me, but which direction needs more air, high or low? That's right, high needs more air, low doesn't need quite so much air. By the way, we're not just singing any high sound, it's not high and low. We're just singing 2 particular notes. In fact, on my xylophone, they're right here. There's our 2 notes. This one's high, can you sing here is our high note? And here is our low note. Those are the 2 pitches or notes that we are using today. So try to match those as best as you can. No silly voices today, at least not right now. High, high, low, low. How about low, high, high, low? Or high, high, low, high. Let's try one more. How about low, 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 high? Now, we did a bunch of these last time too, but today I wanted to tell you that those 2 notes, our high note and our low note, actually have some names. Let's learn their names. Instead of singing high and low, we're going to sing their names, which is so and me. Everyone say, high note is so, and low note is me. You might recognize these if you've ever heard the syllables, all of them. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But we're just using so and me today. So let's do some patterns with so and me. By the way, our high and low hands that we've been doing, those actually are our hand signs for so and me. Show me so, like you're looking at the front of your hands. Say, this is so. And if we put our hands flat and a little bit lower, this is me. You can do it with two hands or just one hand. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to use two hands if I'm not playing the instrument. Let's try some patterns with their names now, so and me. So, so, me, me. Me, so, me, so. How about me, so, so, me? Or so, so, me, me. Nice. Okay, keep these in mind, our high and low sounds, so and me. We're going to use them and figure out some patterns today, but before we do that, we need to talk about strategies. Strategy is just a fancy word for plan. So these are going to be some different plans we could have to make some music. We could make music in a couple different ways. We could compose. It says up there, this is a composition strategy. If we are composing, then we plan the music ahead of time and we usually write it down so that we know what we're going to do next time. But the other way we could make music is improvise. It says improvisation strategies up there. So improvise means you make it up on the spot. So you don't think way in advance, you kind of just make it up as you go. Now, whether you're writing it down or making it up as you go, it's still good to have a plan no matter what, right? So let's explore some of these different possible plans we could use. Everyone say, mostly high! Notice there's little smiley faces. Most of them are up high, but a few are down low. Now say, mostly low. That means most of them are low, but not all of them. Or how about half and half? Yeah, or it could be the high half first. Half and half. What other strategies could you use? Ooh, back and forth. Everyone go, back and forth. That would be going up and down, back and forth. Here's another strategy. Opposite. Yeah, so if one half goes down, the other half goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies we're going to use today. Mostly high, mostly low, half and half, back and forth, opposite, and repeated notes. We're going to figure out what those mean when we take a look at some patterns here. Check this out. We've been using so and me, but I'm going to put this chart up here now. This chart has a line in the middle, and we could put some notes on the top or the bottom of that line. If it's on the top, that's going to show us that that note is so. That's right. But if it's below the line, it's going to be me. That's right. So is on high, is our high one, and me is our low one. I'm going to put a pattern up here, and let's see if we can figure it out by reading what that pattern that we're supposed to sing sounds like. So let's look here. Our first one is on the top of the line, so it's so. The next one is below, so it's me. The third one is high again, so that's so. And then our last one is on the bottom, so it's me. So it looks like we've got so, me, you sing it. Oh, check it out. We just sang a pattern by reading it off the page. That's pretty cool. Now, while we have this pattern up here, what strategy do you think it follows? Is it mostly high? Is it mostly low? Is it half and half? Does it go back and forth? Is it opposite? Is it repeated all the same? Well, if I look at this one, I see high, low, high, low. So I think that is back and forth, right? Okay, let's try lots of patterns here, and let's see if we can sing them and then figure out what strategy they're following. This one looks like we've got 3 that are high, and then 1 at the very end that's low. So this one would sound like So, so, so me. Okay, what strategy does that one follow? There's 3 up and 1 down, so yeah, mostly high. I hope you got that one. Okay, let's try another one here. Let's figure this one out. This one has 2 high ones and 2 low ones. So our pattern would be, let's see if you can hear it. So, so, me, me. Nice. Okay, what pattern or what strategy does this pattern follow? We've got 2 up high and then 2 down low. So it's not repeated because that'd be all the same. It's not mostly high or mostly low because there's 2 and 2, so that's not mostly anything. They're equal. It's not back and forth like our first one. It must be half and half. Did you figure that out? Okay, here's another pattern. Let's check this one out. Now this time, I want to see if maybe you can figure out how to sing it before I show you the answer. So look, we've got one that's high, so that's so. One that's low, that's me. Another one that's low. And then another one that's high here. So I'm just going to tell you what our 2 sounds sound like. Here's our high sound and here's our low sound. Here's so and me. Let's see if you can sing it. Ready, go. Did you sing so, me, me, so? If you sang it just like that, you read it all by yourself. Congratulations. Okay, what strategy does this pattern follow? Well, I noticed that the first half goes high, low, and the second half goes low, high. So I think it is opposite. Nice job. Okay, one more here. Take a look at this one. They're all so high sounds. So this one is definitely repeated notes, isn't it? Let's sing it. It's pretty easy to sing because it's all the same. It goes like this. So, 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 so. They're all the same. Okay, last thing today, let's go back to our song, Doggie Doggie, Where's Your Bone? And let's take a look at the very first line of the song. Doggie Doggie, where's your bone? Just that much. And we see, if you look at it here, I separated that line of the song into separate beats. Each square is 1 beat. So, doggie, doggie, where's your bone? 4 beats there. Some of the beats have a couple sounds in them, like doggie is actually 2 sounds, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to look at the beat itself. Doggie, doggie, where's your bone? I wonder if you can hear me sing that. Is each beat a high sound or low sounds? Now, be careful because there's sometimes 2 sounds in one thing like doggy, but just both of them will either be high or low, so or me. So let's see if we can figure it out here. I'll sing it again and let's see if you can sing it back using high and low instead of the words. So instead of doggy doggy, you would say high or low. Ready? I'll sing the words, you sing high or low based on what you hear. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? Did you figure out by listening that it is high, low, high, low? It is. Listen again. High, high, low, low, high, high, low. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? One of our patterns is hiding right in there in the first one. Now, of course, with our high and low sounds, we said that the high ones are so and the low ones are me. So this first one goes, so me, so me. You sing it. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? Oh my goodness, our patterns are hiding right in our song. Okay, last thing. What strategy does this first line of our song follow? Can you figure it out? Do you remember back from our last slide? If it goes, so me, that's got to be back and forth, right? Yeah. High, low, back and forth. Thanks for exploring some patterns with me today with so and me. Thanks for your great singing, and I hope you enjoyed our lesson.